Hey, we just picked up a radio control helicopter. Stay with us. We'll open this and see what it'll do. Thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up this Voyage Aeronautics mini helicopter with it has the hand gesture joystick. All right, let's see what it'll do. We'll open it up and show you. All right, here it is. This is the Voyage Aeronautics Pocket Flyers. Let's open this little guy up. See what we can do here. Okay. Oh, there's the manual right there. Open this little guy up and it shows you different things. Go through that in a minute. When all else fails, read the directions, right? Let's pull this little guy out of here. Okay. There's your helicopter, little chopper. Set him down right here. Here's your controller. Now this is a one-handed controller. Ascend, descend, speed. Same thing on this side. This is your launch and land button for automatic. Charging port right there. This little light comes on red. It's charging. Turns green. It's ready to go. Stand this little guy up right here. Let's see what we can do here. We need to get into the case here where we can do charging. All right, that comes loose. All right, here we are. Extra propellers. I'll probably need them. Y'all have seen me fly before. And here's your charging cables. We'll take this little guy in here in a minute and charge them up. Get that out of the way. There's our little chopper. Oh, look, a little screwdriver in case we need to do some changing here. Now, the one with the funny looking little charging port goes into the chopper right there, right on the very bottom. See right there? Plugs right in there, okay? This one charges the transmitter, plugs right in there, okay? We'll take these over here and charge them. See what we can do with it, all right? Let's charge the helicopter. Right there's a little helicopter. Charging port's right there. Only goes in one way, so slip it in right there. Set it down. Plug it into the USB port right there. See the red light right there? It's charging. When that red light goes out, it's ready to go. Okay, you see the green light is on now on the charging cable for the helicopter. That means it's charged and ready to go. Takes approximately 30 minutes to charge it. Unplug everything. We're ready to do a little flying. Let's charge the controller. There's your controller. Charging port right there on the bottom. Charging cable plugs in right there. This plugs into the USB port right there. Right there's your red light that's on. When that red light turns green, it's ready to go. Set it down and let it charge. You can see the green light is now on the transmitter and it's ready to go. It takes approximately 30 minutes to charge the transmitter, so let's unplug it. It's ready to go. There you are. Okay, we did some charging on them. Got them charged up, so it takes about 30 minutes to charge each one. On the bottom, there's an on-off switch right here. Watch. Look at that little button. On. Ah, look at the lights here. It's looking for the transmitter. Now, to get these to sync, it said turn on the helicopter first, then turn on the transmitter. Ah, look at there. See how they quit flashing? Everything connected up, synced up. Push that button down right there and it'll take off. It's just out of curiosity. Yep. And then to make it land, push it again. Well, doesn't seem to want to land. There it goes. There it is. All right, it landed. All right. Now it says when you got it in the air, ascend makes it speed up and climb. Descend makes it slow down and drop down. You've got 3 speed controls: beginner, medium, and advanced. You just push that button once. It's on the beginner. Push it twice. Push it again. It goes to the medium. Push it again. It goes to advanced. And to make it fly forward, tilt it forward. To make it fly backwards, tilt it backwards. You want it to rotate to the left, turn it to the left. Want it to rotate to the right, turn it to the right. Okay? Sounds interesting. We'll have to do some flying with it here in just a minute, okay? All right, we got it synced up right now. So what we want to do is put the speed on the beginner for me, okay? So we got it turned on here. Down here on the bottom is the speed. Press it and you'll hear it beep. That's 2. That's the advanced to call it. 3 is the expert. 1's the beginner. All right. I think we're going to see if we can do some flying here. All right, let's see if we can do some flying here. Push the button to take off. Well, I don't seem to be doing much good on flying, huh? Let's try this again, all right? I don't know. Now, if it says you may need to do a little calibrating the pocket flyer. If the pocket flyer becomes unstable during the course of flying, you may need to calibrate the internal gyros. To do this, place the pocket flyer on a flat level surface like the table here. Long press the Start Land button. The LEDs on the pocket flyer will flash quickly and then remain solid. This indicates that the helicopter has been recalibrated. All right, push the long land button right here and take off. See it flash? Well, it went solid, so it must have calibrated, all right? Let's see if we can do a little more flying, see if we can get a little more control over it. Once again, on and off button right there. Turn that little guy on. See the lights? They're flashing. They're waiting on the transmitter now. Turn your transmitter on, the little button right here. See it? See, they went solid. They're flashing. There, they went solid. They're paired up. All right. Let's see if we can do a little flying now. Hit that start and land button. Well, I get it to take off. I just hadn't figured out how to control it when it's in the air yet. Crashes good, doesn't it? Let's try this again. Backward, forward, descend, ascend, land. There we go. We managed to do a little bit of flying there. Let's get her back out here. See what we can do again. Remember, forward is forward, back is backwards. Make it rotate either way, okay? There's backwards, rotate. It just don't go forward. I haven't figured out how to make it go forward yet. I can make it go backwards. There's forward a little bit. There's backwards, forward, spin. Well, land. Crashed into the wall before it landed, didn't it? Looks like to get it to go forward, you have to really get down like that. But to get backward just a little bit. So let's see what we can do here. There's forward. Rotate, rotate, forward. Let's see, descend, land. There we go. That worked pretty good. We got a little bit better, didn't we? When you're through with it, right there's your on off button again. Flick it, the lights go off. On off button on the transmitter right there. It's off. And you're ready to put it up or do whatever you want to do with it and come back and fly some more later. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.